Hello everyone, welcome back to House of Coding. If you love drawing and using computers, then today's video is going to be fun for you. Today we are going to learn digital drawing using Sketchpad, which means drawing on your computer just like you draw in your notebook. So get ready to become a digital artist. Now, you might be wondering, what in the world is digital drawing? Well, it is just like drawing with your favorite crayons and paper, but instead of a real desk, we use a computer, a mouse, or a tablet. No messy cleanup and no running out of your favorite colors. Pretty cool, right? Today we are going to explore an awesome free website called Sketchpad. By the end of this video, you will be making your very own digital masterpiece. Grab your mouse, put on your creative thinking caps, and let's dive in. First things first, let's open up our digital art studio. All you need to do is open your web browser and type in sketchpad.app. Let's hit enter. When you first open it, you will see a big clean space right in the middle and a bunch of cool buttons on the left side. Don't worry if it looks like a lot, we are going to learn them together step by step. Before we start scribbling, we need a fresh piece of paper. In the digital world, we call this paper a canvas. To get a new one, look at the very bottom left corner. See that plus sign button? Let's click it. If it asks us what size we want, we can just pick blank and click the giant create button. And we have a brand new clean white canvas ready for our imagination. Now for the best part, our art supplies. On the left side of your screen, you have a digital pencil case. Let's look at the most important tools. The calligraphy brush tool. It looks like a feather or a paintbrush. This is what you use to draw freehand. You can make thick lines, thin lines, or loop. The line or path tool. It looks like a straight line. If you want to draw a perfectly straight stick figure or a house, this tool is your best friend. The eraser. It looks like a pink school eraser. Made a mistake? No problem. Just click the eraser and wipe it away. See? Just like magic. Let's try drawing something together. We will start with shapes. Click on the Shapes tool. Look at all these choices. Let's pick the circle. Now click on your white canvas, hold your mouse button down and drag it across the screen. Wow, look at that perfect circle. Let's try a square next. Click, drag and let go. You can move them around, make them giant or make them teeny tiny. What shapes are you going to draw? Maybe a star? Go ahead and try it. Right now, our shapes are a little lonely and empty. Let's add some colors using the Fill tool. It looks like a little paint bucket tilting over. I am going to choose bright yellow. Now move your paint bucket inside the circle we drew and click once. Whoa, it filled the whole circle instantly. Let's turn our square into blue square. It's like magic coloring. Just make sure you click inside the shape or you might color the whole background. Every great artist needs to sign their artwork, right? Sketchpad lets you add words using the text tool. It looks like a capital letter T. Once you click on the canvas, a little box appears. You can type anything you want using your keyboard. I'm going to type my name. You can change the font to make it look silly, spooky, or super neat, and you can change the color too. Go ahead and type your name on your canvas. We have made a beautiful drawing, but if we close our computer, it might disappear. That is why we always save our work. Look at the bottom left corner again. Right next to our plus sign, there is an icon that looks like a little floppy disk or a download arrow. Let's click it. A menu pops up. Click on Download PNG. Look at that, your drawing is now saved onto your computer. You can print it out, show it to your teacher, or show it to your parents and say, "Look what I made." And that is how you use a Sketchpad to create awesome digital art. Let's do a super quick recap of what we learned today. We learned how to open a new canvas. We used the brush and shapes tool. We colored them in with the paint bucket, and we saved our artwork safely to our computer. Now it's your turn. Head over to Sketchpad and draw whatever you want. Maybe a sunny day, a spacesuit, or a cute animal. The sky is the limit. If you had fun drawing with me today, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your classmates, and don't forget to subscribe to the House of Code for more fun computer adventures. Keep creating, keep coding. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.